Okay, Google. Play Revel Revel on Spotify.
Revel Revel by David Bowie. Sure. Playing on Spotify.
Guys, there's this movie. It's on Amazon Music. No, not Amazon Music. Amazon Prime and Prime Video. It's called Troop Zero, and it has Say a Little Prayer by Aretha Franklin and Revel Revel by Bowie blah blah. So if you haven't seen Troop Zero, you gotta watch it. You are gonna fall in love with it, just like I did. I bet ya. Okay, guys. Just a second. Okay, guys. Since I have to go to bed, since I have school tomorrow, for me, it's a school night. So, for me, I did not have school this week on Monday because of some holiday. But today I had school Yeah, I like to go up here and then. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys my fidgets and my spot up there. Ooh, I'll show you all my squishmallows real quick. I love squishmallows. You can see there's a little squishmallow on the poster back there. Snack time. Axolotl. Unicorn. Unicorn. Fox. James. Now I'm not going to read all their stories, but I'll read James's squish date 4/7/2017. James is quite the catch. When he's not studying for his next math test, you can find him in the outfield. James is captain of the baseball team. He travels all over the country for sports and is expected to play in the Mayor Lagoons. Want to play catch with your new pal? Now, I have one Fuzzmallow and 2 or 3 more than that at my mom's house, but I have most of them here. I'll show you guys. I can't turn around my camera. There's some hiding, but I have more than you might see. Gotta go, guys. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below and share. Click the like bell and subscribe. Bye.